In Tumna Kisii University abatogocha kolera a university waziri, we have already made a decision. University College, Nyamira University College, a constituent college of Kisii University, which will take care of for 3 years or so. We have proposed to start 4 schools instead of 3. Normally it's 3, but we have proposed to start 4. We'll start the School of Agriculture and Natural Resources. We'll start the School of Information Sciences and Technology. We'll start School of Education and Human Resource Management. And then the School of Business and Economics. Even as we are doing all these things, shortly and we'll be using Nyamira already. And initially, the proposal ya itoka with the Beyond commission, and the commission, ati monto maneno mumurojega mujumra wede chati ndabuga nero ko organize na naga to organize. We are beginning with 100 students for each program, but we'll grow. Again, to that ko batele kumuranja tuition block nko agachiwere lakini ngaya bana wa chokora Iho, mnamwate bigwa na matoke na abantu na bakwanirega kumuranje mwaka cha chinyumba ga goeta abana bali bache barale chinyumba echi babakane chibesa abana abo bali gocha na ndagera korsobo ndagera babagulia ko matoke chinyeni akadalika na yosiga. In Tumna Kisii University, we want to assure you, the leadership of Nyamira, that we are together. And that as Kisii University, once we are given instruction, our business is to ensure that we deliver. And what I have experienced yogo Chakiri University. Jena Demu University Kuru. Chi University ikomi chire Kenya. Maseno, Masinde Muliro, Kavianga, Masai Mara, Karatina, Garissa. Nechine chions PhD mu university achage na nona link ani kana nige principal Tanzania Garissa University ige university ye ekaratongo chaka. Be assured, in less than or a maximum of 3 years it will be a full-fledged university by the grace of God. God bless you. 2016 when you 2016 or mwalengo bakia hiyo na ngasoma mu University of Eldoret Ekalikali Ruwe, which Commission for University Education requesting to establish a university college here in Nyamira. Commission for University Education, they inspected this place and they said, no, you are not ready. A report here for 2016, that's almost 10 years. 2023 November Togatevi womna Kisii University nga a President of the Republic of Kenya will accept a request abarai wa Nyamira that we establish a university here in Nyamira. A university ekolera University of Yonsi kuchaka wikerere muno mwana ekine omwana konye omotacho mwana yabaraki agende. A university ekolere university ya Nyamira Kisii University. Tokaye instructions yechigo. Tokachaka process. A process yeyo gachaka. The president yegachaka and later tokachaka ne commission. Tokaonjo kana naga on speaker tokairana akatolikirani ruwa denga 2016 nto ajete gabo tokawaye report yega yalengega boikabona umurachinje ikabona university iteyo lakini wone ngento kia beta akina wadenge ngente kekerega kom chuma yaitete monene wense agatorangirije saiga yaye gal Nairobi awate saiga gal ko State House otororo roiga agajaga kuana tukanyama kantu batu bari muke batebe ngabone kintu tegete neke kumbe konye ba motebire akamana koro mukaimoka agatebanga amangana ali university ya Nyamira university ya Nyamira tegete chake process yoko ya chaka echake immediately process yoko laki yoko ya chaka agateba abajeshi na waje kutenera mangana ayo na waziri akayewa instructions koruchuma bakabono nana korara chuma bakachuma mose botuko waziri kanaka tisibi oseni sano erega ndabetiga akirito sene naronge gatebiwa tokole drawings tokole gende kwa survey na kiregento chuma piri ntu alengega tokagenda tokarata na kadhalika ebinte byons akiyakora kara mwaziri acha mwara na arakuga alinga yama amaga cha yako akochikokorwa na anakiyakorolekana
Aitaria maya. So we are so happy. Inche mwato mogoko manene nene ni mwato kwigana to spinto mwato mogoko manene asengi nchwa maya o manene gwensa tokolere. Wo mayana usino bolimu. O mayana usino bolimu. Ikobono tokwadera nere tokole chikasirichile chiroro. Mmeniambia tushirikiane hili tuweze kutekeleza hayo maendeleo. Wasema na mwakani. Ndete mwata iboronge. Mwanchire tokwadera neno monene bwense lile tokole gasiri twansete kara twayengosa bachikura. Ekiagera ninwa banyene mwacholete. Omoskoli okugamba bono iga. Actually got 37% kurwase county ya Nyamira. Nendo tuoro kilio Tanzania bwana sana. Kwa hivyo tutashirikiana. Bwana waziri, enda umwambie watu hapo wamesema asante. Abantu bano tmogrango batebire mbiamono. Bwana abtuwe kiromo elinda tekorangelio moske bwana PS county ya Nyamira. Nendo tuoro kilio Tanzania bwana sana. Kwa hivyo tutashirikiana. Bwana waziri, enda umwambie watu hapo wamesema asante. Abantu bano tmogrango batebire mbiamono. Bwana abtuwe kiromo elinda tekorangelio moske bwana PS